Even my village people cannot use this type of shower to have their bath. I'm missing family. Today is Christmas Eve and here I am all alone. I feel so bored right now. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose Edet. Thank you to my old and new subscribers. We are in the ship store right now and that's the bosun carrying the wooden pump, and I quickly carried this shower head for my shower in my cabin because the old one I had has spoiled. Today's video is about us testing the WILDEN pump that has just been supplied to us. We had one already on board the ship and these two ones just was supplied, and we want to test to see how it's running. So I first off tore out the rubber on the body of the wooden pump. Are you wondering what a wooden pump is? It is a pump used where electricity is not available or in explosive or flammable area to transfer fluid, maybe oil, water, chemical. It can also be used in other general industry, but here in marine industry on board the ship, we use it in tank cleaning to transfer or dry up the tank, or to transfer cargo. Even on deck during oil spillage, you can use it to transfer the cargo on deck to maybe a tank or wherever you want the product to go to. And if you're also wondering how does it work, wooden pump operates by displacing fluid from one of its two liquid chambers upon each stroke completion. It requires a given amount of pressure or air volume to deliver the proper amount of fluid. This is the fluid suction manifold and also the discharge manifold, inlet and outlet. We also have the air valve assembly. I was sent to look for air valves assembly for the air hose for one of the wooden pump. We couldn't find one that fits, so this is me trying to fit them to see if any one of them fits. I went first to the bosun store. I couldn't find it. I searched all around. I couldn't find it. All this one did not fit well, so I had to go to the engine room. Right now, this is me heading to the engine room to ask the engineers if they have the air valve assembly for the wooden pump. If you would like to know all the machineries, different compartments in the engine room on this my new ship, comment and I'll do a video for you. Click on the link video above to watch my previous ship engine room tour. I'm in the engine room right now, heading to the control room. So that's the cadets, engine cadets, and also the officer on duty. I told them what I needed. I went ahead to talk to them. It was Christmas Eve, so we're just talking about how Christmas is gonna look like. I went ahead to bully the cadets. I was just joking with him anyways. We were like, Christmas is tomorrow. How is it going to be? Are we going to celebrate it or not? We have cargo on board. We might just enter jetty tomorrow, or we don't even know. That was just it. I collected what I needed and I left back. So finally I've gotten the valves assembly, and this is me heading back to the deck to continue with what I was doing. This is the bosun connecting the air valves. We went ahead to connect the air hose to the wooden pump, also connected to the air connection on deck, then on it to test if the wooden pump is in good condition as it was supplied to us and is running very well. So we tested the first one, it's working very alright. We went ahead to test the second one, it's also working very well. The chief officer came out to also confirm it. Then he now advised we take one back to the store while we keep one on deck. So first of all, we decided to clear off the work area. We called the hose that we use for the air. I packed in the tools we used back to the store. That's me going to drop the tools we use, all the nuts, bolts, and that's the AB dropping the wooden pump back to the store. So we kept one on the starboard side of the ship. This is it secured, and before now we had one already on board. That one is on the port side of the ship. That was the end of my 12 o'clock wash. Today is Christmas Eve and here I am working while other people are preparing for Christmas celebration. Imagine that. Returning to my cabin, let me tell you guys about my shower. My shower head got spoiled a few weeks ago and I told the fitter about it. We did not have shower head supplied on board, so he said he wanted to do a temporary one for me. And guys, imagine what this man did for me. I couldn't even use it after he did it. It was so scary. I just can't imagine using this to have my bath, like shower. Look at the shower my fitter did for me. Even my village people cannot use this type of shower to have their bath. It's so scary. Earlier on this video, you saw me picking the shower head from the store. So this is me trying to fix it.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I just got back from having my lunch and yeah, for the shower and all, I've fixed it. Everything is done and I have a better working shower. I'm glad about that. Today is Christmas Eve, 24th of December, and I'm on board this ship. I feel so bored right now. Yeah, Saturdays are always half days if we are not at port, so today is half day. I just close eating and right now I'm in my cabin, so bored. I'm missing family. Today is Christmas Eve and here I am all alone in my room. I don't even know what to do. Initially I was on social media just looking at Instagram, TikTok and all, but right now I'm just tired of that, so I think I should just go ahead and watch a movie. There's this series I've been watching and I just started season 1, Queen Sugar, that's the name, so that's what I'll be doing now.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
This is me on bed watching movie covered under my duvet. It's such a cozy evening, though I was missing home, but the movie is quite interesting. It's a seasonal movie. I'm on season 1. It's up to season 4, so I got some snacks, a complete combination. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Happy holiday to you. Bye. I love you.